This is the shop that I'm building out here, and this is the way to get there. Everything is built for function. The first upgrade for the bench was a proper vise. Solid, simple, does its job. That's all I care about in tools. I've been building everything else around this bench, so it made sense to start with something that actually holds the work the way it should. As the vise and bench started coming together, the next problem became obvious. For the knife work, I needed a vertical bandsaw setup, and I wasn't interested in buying another dedicated floor machine. I picked up this Milwaukee deep cut portaband, portable bandsaw. Great tool, powerful, well built. Handheld is excellent, but for the knife blanks, I need it vertical. I built this to solve a problem in my own shop. If someone else is trying to do the same thing, it should make it easier. I spent too long trying to figure this out in my head. The moment I actually got into the shop and started working with it, the solution showed up. I just couldn't seem to figure it out how I was going to get the saw to sit vertically and be stable and useful enough, but I figured it out. The goal was straightforward. A stable mount, vertical blade, predictable tracking. No gimmicks, no over-engineering, just a setup that's solid and repeatable. Most of this process is test fit, adjust, refine, build it. Look at it, use it, improve it, stare at it some more. That loop is how almost everything in this shop gets built. Once the geometry started to settle in, everything else got easier. The saw sits where it needs to sit, the blade tracks where it should. At that point, it's no longer theory, it's just a working tool. This setup does exactly what I built it to do. It's stable and it tracks straight. It gives me a clean, controlled cuts for knife blanks. That's the requirement. Everything beyond that is just aesthetics. This is how most problems in this shop get solved. You can overthink them forever, or you can start building and let the solution reveal itself. Once the tool and the material in front of you, the right answer is usually obvious. The shop is still evolving. The setups will keep improving, but everything in here is built to work, not to impress. That's the standard. Works 80%, 100% of the time. Good enough. Let's make something.